I've made lasagna every possible way, okay? Chicken lasagna, your regular Italian lasagna with the red sauce, you know, but the seafood lasagna, it hits different, y'all. Okay, this has got all that deliciousness. It's got that shrimp up in there. It's got that lump of crab up in there. Okay, and it does not play with the cheesiness and the gooiness, okay? Everything that makes a classic lasagna your fave is in this one. And you're gonna love it even more. Just maybe. If you like things a little different, if you need to try something to spice it up, make this. Let me show you how to make it. Let's get into it. We're gonna melt some butter in a skillet, add our shallots, then hit it with a little salt and fresh garlic. Next, we're gonna bring in the seafood. Shrimp goes in with a little Cajun seasoning, then some crab because we're doing this the right way. Let that cook and set it aside. Now, while that's going, work on your ricotta filling. Start with the ricotta, then we're gonna add in 1 cup of spinach that's thawed and drained. We're gonna add a little fresh lemon zest to make it pop, some parsley, and a splash of lemon juice. Mix that all up until it's smooth and creamy, then set that to the side. Now let's get into this sauce, y'all. We got butter and flour coming together. Then we're gonna add the white wine so it thickens up. And then next, we're gonna add some half and half, some clam juice, a little hot sauce for a kick, some salt, some nutmeg, some parsley, and my kicker, some fresh tarragon. Once that's nice and smooth, fold the seafood in and mix that thoroughly. Now, it's time to layer. This is my favorite part. Grab your baking dish. We're gonna add a little sauce to the bottom. Then go in with the no-boil lasagna sheets. That's gonna make everything so much easier. Then we're going to layer on the ricotta mixture. Next goes the seafood, and then a little cheese. I'm using fresh Gouda, Parmesan, and an Italian blend. Also, remember to shred your own cheese if you have time. It's gonna make it melt really nicely. Keep layering until it's full and stacked just right. Bake at 375 for about 45. Start checking it early because everyone's oven acts a little different, okay? And now look at that, booze. Look at that golden, cheesy top. I mean, that's exactly how it's supposed to look. Cannot wait to dig into this. I'm ready to take my bite. Okay, yum. Okay, let's get all in there. Oh my gosh. It's like heaven in the world. Little. Did you see that cheese? So good. That is next level. Like, flavors are popping, gooiness galore. I mean, that sauce and all of that deliciousness, all from all of the different seafood in here. Like, it's chock full, y'all, chock full. This is next level. If you love somebody, take the time, invest and make this. Like, great for entertaining, great for mixing up something different for a holiday. It's got so many uses. I know you're gonna love this.